everyone, now we show you guys how the new paper airplane, the Drago. This is my new favorite paper airplane. It has the head of a dragon and the wings and the shape of a cool paper plane. Hello everybody, welcome again to another paper airplane tutorial. I am Tri, and now I'm going to teach you how to make a new cool paper airplane. It is called the Drago. It has a dragon shape and it flies very well for a long distance. Of course, it is not like super long or it's like the paper airplane you want to fly in a contest, but this is a cool paper airplane for you to test out, to have fun with. And now I will show you guys how to fold a paper airplane. First of all, let's fold the paper in half. To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. You can also use an A4 paper to fold the Drago. And now I will teach you how to make the airplane. The first step, fold the paper in half. And then unfold the paper. Okay, after you unfold the paper, now start from this side, fold both edges. So fold this edge to the center crease from both sides. And then repeat the same fold for the other side. You may need to adjust it. See, and I didn't fold correctly, so I will adjust it this side. Make sure that both sides are even. It's made slightly different though. Okay, it does look good. On the following step, I will start from this point, the tip here. I fold it straight to this edge. So I finish one step. Now let's turn the paper over. Now I start from this edge. I fold to the center crease. And then I repeat the same fold for this side. Start from this edge, fold to the center crease. Adjust it a little bit so both sides are even. Alright, and now start from this edge, fold straight out to this point, to the end of the paper. I will just fold it down. Okay. And press down this side. Make sure that you use the center crease as a reference. Now I will show you. Make sure that both edges. Make sure that this line matches with this line. So let me put it down again and fix it. And now let's start from this side. Estimate about half of an inch. Make a point and fold this side up. Looks really good. Okay, fix this side as well. And then now start from this edge, fold to the center crease. When you fold this edge to the center crease, make sure that you fix this side as well. Okay, I'll fold to the center crease. when you fold that to the center crease, you have to fit this size. So let's try to fold that part to the center crease and then matches. Okay, matches. Follow those steps I'm doing now. This is what you should have. And then rest out. And repeat the same fold for this size. Start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. Fold the center to the center crease first. And then now you can fix this size. It matches. This is what you should have. Okay, so let me rest out, and now the top here is not is a little bit thick. The top of the paper now is thick, but that's okay. Now let's fold the let's flip the paper over and then fold it in half. The good thing about this paper airplane is it's very easy to fold in half. This may be off a little bit, but that's fine. You can adjust it. Later. And now let me show you guys how to create the wings of the paper airplane. Let's flatten down the paper, and you can see there's an edge here. And imagine that you have a line straight out to the end of the wings. I already fold, and there's a crease here. Use this as a preference to fold. When you fold one side of the paper airplane, repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's flip the paper over and start from this side. And you see this edge, use this edge as a preference and fold out. After you finish folding the wings, let's fix it first to make sure both sides are even. And then open the wings. This is what you should have. And estimate about half an inch along this edge. Also for this side, let's fold out. For this side down to create the stabilizer. Also for this side, fold down a little bit to create the stabilizer. Very simple. And pull out the paper to help the stabilizers look nice. So this is what you should have for the stabilizers. And to help the plane fly well, you need to create the elevators. And to create the elevators at the very end of the wings, make a pinch elevators. Pinch it. Same thing for this side. So pinch both sides. And you can fold out a little bit though. And this is what you should have. And with the elevators, this will have the plane fly straight and far. And here you go. This is the Drago. Check it out. Fly it. Test it out. And don't forget to give the video a thumb up. Share the tutorial with your friends. And subscribe my channel. I also upload this tutorial on the paper airplane channel, where I just published paper airplane tutorial. And finally, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye guys. Alright, hi guys, so now I am going to show you guys my new favorite paper airplane, the Drago. To fly the Drago, first of all you need to fold the wings like this. And you can see the stabilizers, I fold it down so that the plane will fly well. And elevators, fold it up more. And a V-shaped wings, more like a Drago, more like a dragon actually. And let me show you guys how it's fly. Take a look. A very good paper airplane, fly straight in windy condition and fly for a long distance. This is over 50 feet for sure. And let me test this more.